In today's video, I'm going to update you guys on the channel, the vehicles, and what's happening. So let's get started. Alright guys, and welcome to today's video. So I just want to take this video to update you guys on a few different things, a few different situations. So I'm feeling a lot better, doing a lot better with all that stuff. You can probably tell from my voice on some of those videos where I did some of the voiceovers. I sounded like super nasally and I just looked like a wreck. So you probably didn't see my face on the last few videos or so over the course of a few weeks, but doing way better, all that stuff. But I want to update you guys on the ecodiesel, and then we'll get into a few other things, what we're doing on the channel, what you guys can expect, and all that stuff. A lot of you guys know that we ended up selling the place that we had in California. We left, we're in Florida right now, and I've been trying my best to find a suitable place for us to get back to work, but it's pretty hard. Selling is the easy part, as you guys know, but finding another place, there's not a lot of homes that are listed on the market, and if they do get listed on the market, it's really hard to jump and get it, and you're competing with other people to get the home. But I'll talk about that in just a second. As far as the ecodiesel, it's been great, you guys. We haven't had, and I don't want to jinx it, but we haven't had any issues. No check engine lights whatsoever. I put 30,000 miles on this thing. I cannot believe it's already been that long since purchasing this thing in the middle or so of last year, but 30,000 miles with us driving all over the country. A lot of it is actually towing, because we were towing the trailer with the Hellcoda in it all across the country. So pretty happy with it so far, but a few things. As far as the oil leak, it still hasn't really developed anything too crazy. I know some guys were wondering about that, so I'll show you guys down here. It's nothing that's like, it's not even dripping, it's just more like sweating, but not even enough to form like one single drip. So I haven't been worrying about it. I've just been driving it, and she's been doing exactly what she needs to do. But a couple other things. These, as you guys know, I put these on. A lot of guys didn't like these things. I was just trying it. We did like a chrome delete on this truck. We changed out the chrome mirrors, the chrome bumpers, the chrome grille, all that stuff. But I put these over top of the chrome handles because it's not really something you can easily change. But as you can see, the sun in California, and we've pretty much been in the sun belt the whole time, even down here in Florida, it is getting absolutely baked. So I'm going to pop these off. But I need your guys' opinion down below. Should I take these off for now, and should I paint them, or should I just leave them off and rock the chrome on the door handles? Either way, I'm gonna pop these off. They're held on by double-sided tape, so I'm not sure how hard they're gonna be to remove, but let me get my hands in there, pry these off, and at least get these ugly things off here. Well, pretty much answered that question for myself. Trying to pull these off, it just broke in two, so I guess there's only one way to go now, boys, and that is completely off. So like I said, they're held on with double-sided tape, but they look like heck anyways, because that does not, I don't know if you guys can see, there's a bit of a shadow, but that is not a good luck to have. So, but let me know. I'm gonna get these off. You guys don't have to watch me struggle taking these off, but let me know if you guys think I should just leave the chrome handles. Like, it's just a tiny bit of chrome on the truck. I don't think it's a big deal, but either way, I'm gonna peel these all off and I'll show you guys a look with just chrome, and then comment down below what you guys think I should do. Okay, so I think I can actually live with this, you guys, but let me know down below what you guys think. I forgot that this portion here was color matched, and it was just that chrome. And at the time, I think when I covered these, there was a whole lot of chrome on this truck going on, and I think I just wanted to get rid of all of it. But this kind of gives it that like limited look too, because if you guys do or don't know, these trucks come in a limited trim, which has color matched bumpers, but then it has a little bit of chrome on it like you're seeing here. So I actually don't mind it. I think it looks a lot more classy than the carbon fiber or fake carbon fiber, but let me know what you guys think. Also, let me know if you guys want to see more Alpha OBD stuff. So as you guys know, I'm kind of working remotely right now, but I can definitely give you guys more Alpha OBD videos, you know, how-to videos, all that stuff. But you guys got to let me know what you need to see, and then I'll film it. So I'm just going to throw these out, you guys. Most of them pretty much snapped in half, and like I said, you can probably see all the faded fake carbon fiber. So these are only 20 bucks, so I'm really not mad about it, but their time has come and into the trash they go. All right, so right now I'm just staying at my sister's place, but as far as the homes that go, I did look at that one house in Ocala, and I'll put it up here on the screen so you guys can remember which one it was. So this one had the pretty much brand new house. The house was only 2 years old, and the shop was, I think it was 30 by 50, so the shop was pretty decent, but part of the problem I had with that one was it was so far remote. I did that on the last place that we were at, and like I lived way far away from everybody and everything. So that kind of got to me on, for the last few years that I was at that place. So for this next place, I'm trying to do my best between finding a suitable property that has some space so we can, get some projects going and future projects, and I got space to, put things. Because the other thing too is when I see a good deal on a chassis or a project car, I want to have the ability to actually purchase it, put it to the side for when we get to that. So whether that's just some project car or a vehicle with its engine blown up that I can maybe grab off of whether it's Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace or something like that, if I can snag that, put it to the side, I want to have the space to be able to do that. Also having space to put the trailer, and I maybe want to get a bigger trailer in the future. So just having space in general, like having like an acre or so, and then also having the shop on it. That's kind of part of my requirements. So the house in Ocala, it's like 2 hours outside or north of Tampa or Orlando. So it would have been a bit of a stretch every time you wanted to actually go to a car event or anything like that. So that one I was kind of on the fence about, and then I finally decided to put an offer in on it. And the same day, that house was sitting on the market for over 6 months. The same day that I put an offer in on it, somebody else put an offer on it for like $10,000 more than what I did, and they ended up winning the offer. So because I was just like you guys probably are, I was getting tired of searching, but put an offer in on it, and then somebody else ended up beating me when they had no offers for months and months and months. So go figure, maybe it was a sign. I also went to go look at this house, which I'll show you now. All right, guys, so here's the place. It has this workshop on it, and then there's the house. You can see there's a 2-car garage there. Only thing is the shop is a little bit small. So it's over an acre. I can't remember exactly, but it's got like some area back there, which I'll show you guys. But my only concern is the shop is really small. It's just bare minimum. It's 30 by 30. So we could probably only fit, maybe 3 cars in there, but I'll show you guys a picture. It's closed up right now, but it's got a lift in there as well that's negotiable with it. So, but there's a lot of space back here. We could potentially, build another shop or whatever, maybe expand this one. But they had some sort of donkeys or livestock or something back here. That's the house. No pool in the house. Not a whole lot going on there, but apparently it's going to go for a lot of money. So I don't know if I should keep looking, but kind of want to get back to working on stuff. But I don't know. Kind of is what it is. But we'll get out of here and I'll discuss a little bit more in a second. So this house is a little bit more appealing. The inside of the house has been completely renovated. Already has a 2-post lift in it, and it's got a 2-car garage on the house. So we could fit, let's say you could fit 3 to 4 cars inside the shop, and then you could fit 2 cars in the attached garage. So probably, 5 to 6 cars, I would say we have the capacity for, given the current setup. The only kind of thing, I wish the shop was a little bit bigger. I think we're going to outgrow that very quickly, but it is on over an acre, so we have a lot of space. The other thing too is it's pretty close to West Palm Beach. So as you guys know, that car show that we went to in West Palm Beach, that's always happening there. Salvage to Savage is in West Palm Beach area, I believe, as well. So be able to go hang out with those guys frequently. And then you also have West Palm Beach Raceway or drag strip, whatever. But there is rumors of it closing, so I don't know how that would factor in. But it's just in an area where there's a little bit more going on. If I want to go out for dinner or something, like I'm not 2 hours outside of a city, so that factor would be pretty nice. The only thing I don't like about that house is just like the curb appeal of the actual house. So it sounds a little bit nitpicky, but the inside of the house is beautiful, but the outside is kind of looks a little bit boring in my opinion. So that's the only thing holding me back. But let me know what you guys think of that one. I'm thinking that one might be the best fit. Like I said, there's a few factors. The curb appeal of that house I'm not really crazy about, and the shop is a tiny bit on the small side, but I could still get the job done. So I don't know whether to hold out and wait or just to try to get that place and just get back to work. So that's where I'm at right now, but let me know what you guys think down below. Also, we'll be going back to Dallas here at some point, getting all the vehicles and stuff like that. So I'll probably, even if we don't end up moving just yet, I'll probably go back there. We still got the Viper quarter panel to install, and we'll take the Hellcoat out, take some local events over in Dallas now that it's the new year, and there's going to be events popping up again as well. We'll also go hang out with the boys over there. You know, Jason, Kyle, Asher, they all got their single cab Rams over there, so they'll be hitting the drag strip again to hit that cold air and take advantage of the weather. So we'll go over there, go to the track with those guys. As far as the rest of this week, I'm supposed to be going over to Salvage to Savage, hang out with Mikey over there, and then there's also supposed to be a car show or event at West Palm Beach Raceway here on Saturday as well. So I'm gonna hit that, or try to hit that too. So some cool stuff coming along the way, you guys. Trying to keep as much car content coming while I'm doing this property shopping. So hopefully you guys understand. Give this video a thumbs up for me, you guys. It does help support the channel. Thanks for your continued support. Hope everyone had a great New Year's, and we'll see you guys on the next video.